back to my channel. This is Mahi Priyanka Golwekar. So today I have a different concept for you. I'm sure you might be guessing what's that. You have a logo behind me that's Goma leather substitute. So you might have got an idea what I'm talking regard. It's something which is substitute for leather products. We see lots of correlative what's happening around nowadays. The reason for global warming and the things we are not happy using leather products because we feel the global warming and livestock stuff. All these things are harming us indirectly, and people who are also don't want animal cruelty and want to use products of lesser price and also help the environment. This is what is the right option, and today I'm going to cover up the video wherein we have amazing wide range of products which is vegan and also accessories which you can use day to day life. Amazing products. Can you just tell me, like, is this something for the females?
Yes, exactly.
We can
so
use it for the office,
this
and
for office,
it's such an amazing product.
Purpose, even for a party, do this thing.
Yeah.
So,
Yes.
This range and even this one.
Oh, that's amazing collection.
So you can see the amazing
Wow.
collection.
Yeah.
And you can see the feel and finish of the product. So
Yes.
it looks like a leather, it's not a leather.
Yes, it's totally like a
Yeah.
leather, but it's not
a
leather.
leather. So you can
Not a
feel and
leather.
finish.
Yes.
So people, even when they are shifting to leather,
Yeah.
to non-leather, they will feel that they are using a leather product, not a leather product. So we do have a belts range for men.
Okay.
And I think we are the only company in India where we are offering this many varieties for men.
Okay.
So
And
it
it's
was
totally a vegan product.
and
Vegan
leather
first
product.
vegan product with
Product.
such a lot of
Yeah.
variety.
Variety. And you can see this piece doesn't have a hole. So these are a track belt.
Oh, so this lasts longs?
Yeah, this lasts longer than a typical hole belt.
Yes. Okay. I guess
Yeah.
the typical one which we have,
Yeah.
that I guess usually it breaks out
it
and
breaks out after a few months.
we cannot use for
Yeah,
multiple purposes.
Because this it can last longer.
Can you just show me the product?
Sure.
Just flip it around. The way you are, yeah. This is the new
Yeah,
product.
you can see the textures. So this will look like a leather, but it's not a leather.
It's not a leather. Yes.
And you can see a variety of buckles here.
Oh, I guess these are not available even in the leather products.
Leather
They are
products,
so
yeah,
amazing
exactly.
designs. This is like totally a different one. I guess you can wear it casually and also have the formal.
This is a canvas.
Okay, it's a canvas. So I guess this looks, semi-formal.
Yeah,
You can wear it
semi-formal.
with formals as
Formals
well
and
as.
on the jeans.
Okay. Suit bag.
So people tend to buy expensive suits, but they'll not get a
Oh,
suit bag.
yes.
In whatever shop they give hardly 200 rupees suit bag.
Yes.
And it weighs
That
and it
due to
goes
which
up, yeah.
the clothes also get
Yeah.
have lots of damages later using
Sure.
those such kind of
Yes, sir.
bags.
So what we developed is suit bag. So if you are going for a single day tour in the plane, then
Okay.
you
Gifting
are looking
options.
for a gifting option for various occasions.
Okay.
So we do have various collections in there.
Wow.
So we
Look
have
at
around
that.
50 different combinations people can choose from according to their budget.
Yeah. So how are you going to customize?
Logo and
Logo?
logo and name printed on that and can give it to them.
Okay.
It's a file folder.
Okay. Just a bit behind. Yeah. Yes. Can you just show me the product? Okay. So they can use the
Yeah, for keeping the files.
Okay.
These are all customized.
This is too fancy, I guess. This is too fancy designs what we have here.
Yeah, and you can see the finish of the product.
Yes.
This looks like a leather. This
Totally. The finish is too amazing. No one can identify if it's non-leather. So it's wonderful. We can avoid such a lot of animal cruelty using these products, and people are unaware of it. And leather products.
So many cow skins will be hides
Yes,
will be saved,
the cruelty
Yeah.
what we undergo. And next thing
because
is that
in India maximum leather is used by the cow leather.
yes, cow leather. That is true. And next thing is that leather, the pure leather is also costlier
Yes.
and it's not good for health as well.
Yes, exactly.
And sometimes the leather is too harsh that it smells the
Yeah.
product we use
Yes.
in the real leathers because they made out of skin. So this is. Can you just show me that? So this we can
This
use
you
it.
can use for gym bag and multi-purpose.
Wow, this is like so fancy. So you have different colors
Yeah,
available
we do
for
a
it.
different colors, different combinations, different size patterns.
Okay.
And these are laptop bags,
Okay. So
executive laptop bags.
so we also have here the laptop bags. Okay. Wonderful. And this is like
Backpack. So laptop bag come back.
okay, backpack. So I guess this can be used even if you are while traveling
Yeah,
for
traveling
one day,
purpose. Yes,
one day,
exactly.
and you don't want to carry
Carry
the
a big
bigger
bag.
bags. Can you just show me this one of it? How does it actually look from behind? We have a that's okay. So we have something okay. You can just put it from behind as well.
It's a back.
So you have three. Decent enough. So you have a variety of colors for laptop. And what is the range you start from for laptop bags or
So
something?
we start from 1500 and will go till 4000 rupees.
Okay, 1500 to 4000.
4,000.
Okay. That is one with the amazing quality. I guess
Yeah.
you guys have the first quality here.
Yes, this is all top.
Top quality.
You can see the feel and finish.
Yes, I can totally finish. I mean,
These colors, fancy colors, so you will not be able to get
yes,
it.
we
Even in
can.
leather, you will not be able to get this fancy colors.
Yes, it's totally blue. So these are also another sort of laptop bags
Yeah,
in a different way.
yeah.
Wide variety. So do you customize the sizes and
No.
all that?
We do have
Size.
from 6 to 10, 11.
Okay,
sizes.
okay. 6 to 11.
11.
And what is the pricing range for
So it's
starting from?
Starting from 700 it will go till
These are
2,500.
the backpacks which are like for college purpose and college going
Yeah.
students.
For girls.
Okay, okay. So can you just show me this pink one?
Basically, this is a backpack. It's a handicap backpack.
Okay, so they can use it with.
Because you're given the zip in the back, so it's a handicap
Oh wow! Just show me. This is something different. So we have a zip at the back.
back.
So you can see here, guys. The zip is totally at the back
Yeah.
and not in the front. This is something a different
So
concept.
it's a handicap backpack.
So college-going girls can
Yeah.
surely use this. It looks too fancy, and you're not supporting any sort of cruelty.
So these are hotel accessories.
These are hotel accessories. Wow. You can just show me a box, something just like that.
This is a tissue paper box.
Wow. The hotel accessories.
Yes.
Wonderful. I guess no one has yet manufactured like
Yeah.
this in a non-leather
Non-leather,
products. I guess Goma is the first brand which is manufacturing something for the hotel accessories and the products which are cruelty free.
You can see
We
various
can-
options in this.
Yes. Wow. These are like elegant design with decent colors.
This is a stationery box.
Okay. Stationery box. Okay. So we can use it for multiple
Yeah.
key purpose and.
Key.
Hi, I'm Gautam Oswal, past president of TAI, past chairman of Roundtable, and now at present heading a G2 International wing. We have a two startup, Goma and Art Valley.
Okay. So how did Goma came into origination? What was the idea behind this?
Idea was I saw sometime two covers being taken to cut. Then
Yes.
some people came and paid the money and they released them. So I was not convinced.
Okay.
I said two will be saved, but another two will be cut.
Yes.
So I said how we can have an idea to reduce the consumption of a leather for luxury products. So that is how I started giving a free leather-free product to everybody.
Yes.
But then the quality was very poor. Then we had a mentor, spoke to 2-3 guys, then said this is the best idea to start a business. I never had an idea of doing this business, but it was a God gift to start this business.
So I can see it. The products are so amazing, affordable, budget-friendly, eco-friendly as well. So I guess we have wide range of products in Goma. So when did this came into origination? Which year did you start this?
It's around 2.5 years back, and now we have around 200 plus product. And probably we are only in the globe to substitute most of the product in leather.
I could see that the moment we typed in Google something which is vegan and non-leather, the Goma was the first option which was given. So what is the vision behind Goma leather substitute?
One is to make pollution free. You know, when they use a leather, the material which they use, water and chemicals, 25 years nothing will come and people's life will also be reduced. So with this we are helping humanity and helping other animals also.
Any message would you like to give to our people, our viewers?
Thank you so much. I suggest everybody to please promote Goma. It's a best product and non-leather product. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir, for having a wonderful time. Thank you.